In this video, let me show you how to fix Netflix cannot change plan. Now in this situation, what you can first of all do is, instead of trying to change the plan within the mobile app of Netflix, simply head over to a web browser instead. So simply search for Netflix, head over to the account page of Netflix, and you should be able to see the option called change plan being displayed, where you'd be able to actually change your current plan that you have. If this option is not working out for you and you're not being able to see the change plan entirely, this simply means that you have billed through a third party instead of the Netflix platform instead, or using T-Mobile or Comcast as well, depending upon what you use. So you'd be able to see the third party partner being displayed within the application. This means you simply need to head over to the third party application such as the Google Play, and then only then you'd be able to change your plan within Netflix. So this is the exact thing that you can follow in order to fix the Netflix cannot change plan. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.